atomic batteries to power, turbines to speed. Okay, so there goes the dock underwater. All this rain. This is the 5th time the dock's gone underwater. The first time was in 1997, but some people are enjoying it. So this is the dock now. A few hours later, water goes up fast when it rains here. Then it will eventually drain. There's more docks underwater like there on the other side of his boat. We get drainage from all of Brevard County out here, and the nearest drain is at Sebastian Inlet. The nearest drain north is at Ponce Inlet. Sometimes when it gets real bad, they'll open the Canaveral locks for a while to let some of the water out. In the meantime, glad someone appreciates it. They'll come up on the dock. Yep. High water.
Big catfish.
In the same year, 1999, the first time the dock went over the water, we had just planted this tree, and the wind blew it sideways. It's been sideways ever since, but it was only 8 feet tall when we planted it. But we wanted it to be straight like that one. But we love our tree. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.